I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high, castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. The ladies love love.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let go. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I just want to say thanks to all my new subscribers, my loyal subscribers. Thank y'all so much. I hope you guys have a very happy new year, y'all, because I'm ready. Like, I'm ready for these I'm ready for 2019 because your girl has been through the most 2018, so it just need to just hurry up and just go. But anyway guys, so I created this look. It's not your average, I guess, a New Year's look, but I added my coloring into it. And also, you guys, follow me on Instagram because I do ask you guys what type of looks you would like for me to. I asked you guys, did you want me to do a glam look? And you said glam look. And I asked you guys, do you want me to use glitter or no glitter? And you guys voted no glitter. And so I did that, which I love glitter. So, you know, if you've been rocking with me, you know I love the little glitter. I love the glitter. Let's jump right into this video. So I tried this new LA Girls colored concealer, y'all. That's what I did for my brows and also the lids. And yeah, and I heard it was compatible to the Tarte concealer, so okay. But anyway, so I used that, and I just used the regular dark pencil for my brows, and I did go ahead and fill them in with this tint brow stuff. And yeah, basically, and I used this brush here for my brows. So that's basically it, what I did to my brows. And y'all, I know if you have been watching me, y'all know I use Milk of Magnesium, but I haven't been using it lately, y'all. I just been doing this other thing where I just put on the loose powder on my face. Not a lot, just dabbing it with a big fluffy brush and just put it on my face. And it kind of been helping, like, me not being so shiny, because I do have very oily skin, and it kind of been helping. So I've been doing that. So let's just finish this face. Edge Cosmetics palette. I'm going to probably start off with this color pink here. Going with this pink here. I don't know. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Going in the crease area. This pink. Oh no, y'all be always making these funny faces. I be trying not to. Yeah, I'm pretty much probably gonna just be going back and forth with this, but let's go get into the next color. So I'm going to use this other palette, and it was a gift, and I pretty much like this palette. It's so pigmented. I believe it's a Beauty Supply Store palette, but it's so good. Like, it's so good. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna start off with a lighter brown. Well, both of these are pretty much dark, but I'm gonna go in with this color here. Well, no, I'm gonna go in with this brown. And I'm just gonna pat it a little bit here. Just a little for now. Outside. It's a liquid eyeshadow. And guys, I had this for so long and never really used it. This is in the shade Liquid Gold. So guys, I'm going to apply some regular Beauty Supply store lashes, cheap $2 lashes, and this is Broadway, and this is in the number 605. So you can go dramatic with the lashes. I'm not gonna do a wing liner, y'all. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And you guys, if you haven't seen the video how I apply my lashes, what I use, because y'all would know I use my bonding glue. Okay, so and I'll be back once I have these lashes. I will be going in with my foundation, and I will be using my MAC Studio Fix, and I am in the color NC50. I'm using this brush right here, this flat top brush, and this is by Beauty Treats, and this is the number 127 brush. I love this, applying my foundation with this brush. I didn't even add no Lord have mercy. So I forgot to add my loose powder. I'm not gonna, let's see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just blend it into the skin. I'm not gonna bake. So I'm going to take this black eyeliner. I'm going to take that pink and go underneath my eye. Okay. I'm gonna take that gold. I'm gonna take this gold and put it still like in the tear duct of my eye, like this rose gold looking color, and see, and just give it a little pop. Ooh, that's pretty. It was more of a gold. Ooh, maybe I should come in a little bit with this color. Let's just see, guys. Go a little bit farther. Up. Ooh, it's pretty. You don't really need two buns, but I just like to be extra, so. I don't need it, but girl, I'm going to vote into it. It's not giving me what I want. It's not giving me what I want, and I want a lot of shimmer. Oh guys, I should try the liquid. You use makeup for anything because you're using it on your face anyway. So let's try it and see. No, I'm crazy. Ooh, let's see guys. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions, leave it down below. You guys, bye.